it's Renee with Delaney Jane Cards. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a little late to the game here, but I thought we would do a little unboxing of the September 2019 card kit. It is called Fall is Coming, I think. You get 2 pieces of Nina Solo White cardstock. You get black licorice, orange twist, limeade, dark chocolate brown, wild cherry, and grape jelly. I did try to put subtitles or labels or whatever on the screen, so if you don't understand what I'm saying, you can read it. So these are the cut apart sheets. I think they go with I forget what collection. They go with the one that has the little skunk and the moose. But here is collection 1. I did label them correctly, even if they're not in the right order. This collection is so cute. You get them ephemera pieces, some enamel dots, some twine, these stickers by Thicker. They're super cool. This little Sunny Studios stamp. I think there's a Sunny Studios stamp in the kits every single month. I don't think I owned anything from Sunny Studios before I started getting this, and now I have quite a collection. So this is Scrapping for Less's paper. I think every kit this recently has had all Scrapping for Less papers in it. This is collection 4. See, I skipped around. This is the Woodland Critters. This is the one that those printable colored sheets actually go with. So each kit comes with an envelope. Here's this cute little stamp set. It's so adorable. So like a skunk and a snail and a moose. And these are enamel dots by Jean Marie. Designs and some twine from Doris, and these are the papers. These are super masculine papers. If you needed masculine cards, these are good colors for that. Also super fall colors and just beautiful. This is collection 2. It's called Cozy Fall. This has a stamp in it from a company I had never even heard of. So this is seam ribbon binding by Paper Sweeties, and then the envelope, of course, and then Paper Sweeties is the stamp company in here, and it's like a solid sweater and then a mug that says fall, sweet fall, and a couple of sentiments and little like icons. Enamel dots, these stickers by Simple Stories. They're thick, kind of like cardstock stickers. This paper, in an unboxing, I seen it, and I actually via an unboxing ordered the entire paper pad of this one because I thought it was going to be stunning, and in person it is so pretty. I do not regret purchasing the entire pack. This one here is collection 3. It's called Fall Foliage. It's got some enamel dots by Gina Marie Designs. The white envelope. This is the first Trinity stamp stamp that I own. This is gorgeous. I am a sunflower lover, so. And these are sunflower stickers by Sticko. They remind me of the Creative Memory stickers from like eons ago. I'm totally dating myself. Those little Trinity mix of embellishments there. They're like little clay flowers and ladybugs. And this is the Fall Foliage papers from Scrapping for Less. Very pretty. All their papers are double-sided, and they have that slick, shiny surface on them. So they're a little different. And then I do get the banana split level. So this is the banana split package this month. It always has some fun goodies in there. Always kind of a surprise. You know, you kind of get the regular stuff in the other ones, but so this is the Fall Greetings Sentiment Stamp by Scrapping for Less. They design these, and they're good at it. And this is the Autumn Blessings die by Scrapping for Less. And then every kit had new bow drops in it. Mine is the orange. I think it's called Carved Pumpkin or Orange Pumpkin or something. I have it, but when I pick it up and look at it next to this new bottle, it looks a little different. So I don't know. We'll watch for that in a giveaway because there's no way I need 2 of those. Scrapping for Less always has a recipe on their website as well as card sketches. You could download them anytime. On your screen, you should see another video if you'd like to continue watching. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing.